BTC की स्क्रीन आंखों में ख्वाब गेरिम भी देखी रेड का अदा कभी लाश में दिल थोड़ा सा टूटा कभी परोवट आया हसमत ने लूटा चारट ने सिखाया सब्र का हुनर मारे खींचा मुश्किल पर मैं मजबूत डर भी आया लालच भी पास डिसिप्लिन रखा बच गया लाश ने सिखाया परवतन मान BTC तेरा डंग मेरा इम्तिहान Wake up to the morning light Coffee brewing feeling right Got that rhythm in my soul Taking life and taking control Walking down the city street Every step's got its own beat People rushing left and right But I'm grooving through the light Don't need to rush, don't need to slow Just finding where I need to go Life's a song and I'm the DJ Mixing up my perfect day Good tempo, that's the way to go Moving smooth but never out of flow Good tempo, feeling so alive in the rhythm That's where I thrive Good tempo, that's the secret that I know Good tempo, let the music take control Dancing through my daily grind Leave the worries far behind Every task becomes a dance Give yourself a fighting chance When the pressure's getting high Take a breath and feel the vibe Find the beat inside your heart That's the place where you should start Some days fast, some days slow That's just how life likes to flow But if you listen to the sound Your perfect pace can be found Good tempo, that's the way to go Moving smooth but never out of flow Good tempo, feeling so alive in the rhythm That's where I thrive Good tempo, that's the secret that I know Good tempo, let the music take control Way too fast, slow it down, make moments last When you're stuck in neutral gear, shift it up and disappear It's not about the speed you choose, it's finding rhythm you can't lose Every heartbeat, every breath, dancing with life till your last step Good tempo, that's my philosophy, living life in harmony Good tempo, never miss a beat, moving to my own drum beat Good tempo, now I'm flying high and low Good tempo,